They must call their quick. All right, everyone, we're here today. Beautiful winter day here. It's actually the winter solstice here in California. You know what that means, Ray?
Is it 21st?
It's the 20.
It goes for 3 days.
21st. All right, so what we have right here is a regular skateboard with no grip tape. And you may be wondering, what are you doing? Well, if you clicked on this video, you probably know what we're doing. But we've read a lot of comments, a lot of suggestions from you all who watch these videos. Do a game of skate, no grip tape, but instead put the grip tape on your shoes. So that's exactly what we're gonna do today. I have no idea if we've done this before. I feel like we might have, but I don't remember. So if we did, I'm sorry. If not, here we are. Why is it the nastiest looking grip tape I've ever seen? What did you get on it?
Trying to set us up.
Bro, so
what is bullet grip?
It's the only grip we have in the warehouse.
But what is it?
It's just grip. Dude, what is that? It is gone now. So what's the strategy here, Dan? You're gonna step on it and then you're gonna cut it?
I think I'm gonna watch him fail and then try to do it.
Oh, look.
I kind of just want to do one to my shoe just to try it. I'm gonna do one because it seems kind of fun.
I made covers.
I feel like you gotta put it in flicking spot too.
Don't tell me what to do, JD.
No, I'm telling to Rick.
Just kidding.
Oh look, these are fire. Here.
Oh, you're doing like that?
Chocolate.
Oh, okay, that's not a bad idea, Dan. It's actually, you're doing something good. Am I sitting on the razor blades? Yes, I am. Okay, here we go. Ready? And then, just
Forward.
okay.
I need to make swing.
I was watching Harry Potter on the plane the other day. Absolutely fire.
The cyber shoes?
Holy, dude, that's sick. Dan, you did great. Here we are. That's pretty good, man. Dan's is the best, but I'm pretty happy with this.
That is pretty fire.
You maintain the design of the shoe, but you get all the benefits of the grip tape. All right, yeah, let me feel it. That's good, man. Gorilla grip.
He gripping on that, boys.
I was gonna hold it in, and then I looked at Nigel, and we made eye contact, and there was no way I wasn't laughing. I'm sorry. Cut that out.
Don't cut that out. Leave that in there.
Gorilla gripping.
All right, JD, will you be the referee of this fine competition?
Sir. I would love to ref this game.
Thank you very much, Ricky Glaza.
What's this hoodie you got? Camp Vlog Now.
Camp Flog now?
What is it?
Concert carnival.
Is it a band?
No.
Okay, we got Ricky versus Uzi. We got the cyber shoes over here, and we got
How does it feel?
the doohickeys over here.
Not good. It feels terrible.
Why? In what way?
Does not grip. I think we would need suede grip on the board and then
Suede
grip
grip.
tape on the shoes.
No.
Oh, I see.
We need Velcro on the board and the other Velcro on our shoes.
We have done that.
Yeah, for sure. All right, Rochambeau. Oh, all right. Ref, they must call their quick.
Oh, right into my ankle.
You killed JD. Look at him.
Are you good?
Bodied the ref.
Oh my god.
I killed myself
Oh
too.
my-
I didn't mean
But
to.
it's suicide
Oh
out here.
my god. The kid can't walk.
Wow, look what my foot did.
Oh!
Dude, it's like that one Dark Slide video when you sent the board into my ankle like 50 miles an hour.
Oh, that hurt.
All right, so it is terrible then.
Yeah, it does not grip at all.
All right. Well, Rick, it's your
That
turn.
was your set?
I don't know. I tried to do a shove it.
But you weren't even rolling.
Should I roll and
Yeah, we're playing rolling,
all right,
bruh.
first set. Let me roll. Watch out, JD.
That looked like
Hey.
no grip.
No grip whatsoever.
This is a 7.7. Oh, what the heck? This is a 7.75 for sure.
Oh, wow. That was really impressive. All right, so let's say on a scale from 1 to 10, 5 is just a regular skateboard with regular grip tape and regular shoes. What would this be?
Like, how grippy is it?
Yeah.
I would think it's slightly more grippy than just having the shoes on the no grip.
I think
So like
it's
a
less
1?
Like a 1, yeah. It might even be less. I think this is less. Should we put a wager on it, sir? Just do 20 push-ups.
All right. Sounds good.
20 push-ups?
All right.
On
And
the line?
Gabe has to do double.
I'll do 20 push-ups
All
too.
right, sounds good.
Oh!
Slipped out.
Yeah, I think if you just had your shoes, I think you would have landed it.
I don't think so. Wow, there is no grip on that. Oh God! Why is skateboarding so dangerous without grip tape?
It's crazy.
Oh my God, man down. Man down. S to
Tie
S.
it up.
Now the next episode we'll do grip on shoes, non-abrasive.
Oh my God. That actually might work better. Yeah, that would for sure work.
Ref!
Oh, really?
Come on, Ref.
Front foot with a big heel touch.
Non-abrasive barefoot. Wow.
Really though.
It's like you lose the grip on your shoes and all of a sudden you can't even balance.
Ow!
He said, try harder, Rick.
He did say that.
I heard it. Oh!
Hey, whoa!
Oh!
Hold up!
Hey,
Time out!
hey.
He don't got grip on his heels.
Hey, Ref. What's going on here? Can you regulate the game? Look at this. What is this?
That's good enough.
No
Make the
heel
call.
flip tricks.
Make the call, Ref. No, make him put more on there.
Okay, put more on there. Gotta cover your ankles.
My
Come on.
heels are heeled up.
Yeah, you're 100% covered. This is an unfair game. Rick, you are cheating, bro. Dang. You know what? Let's just let this happen, and if Rick wins, we'll see if he has the integrity to win like this. Ref, make the call.
Good enough. Let me see how they.
It's just like breaking.
I mean, Uzi's looks fine. I think it's just the builder.
I think so too.
Oh my
It is just falling apart.
To break this ball.
He's going for heel flip on his exposed heel.
Call him out, Dan. Oh my God.
I tried impossible. Come on, Ref! That's a heel!
Look how much it slips.
I've never seen Rick struggle.
That's what you get. Happy.
Oh, that was good. That's a good choice. Oh,
Good.
wow.
Rad, the rad
I didn't
makes-
see that coming. Come on, Rick, get a grip.
Trying.
Oh, Ref!
Get out of here!
Ref!
Crush him! Come on!
Call it.
Crush him, Ref. What's
You know
wrong
what?
with it?
I'm
What was
feeling.
wrong with
I'm
it?
feeling nice today. That's a good.
Oh!
Wow!
Even after you shattered his ankle.
Slick him up.
You're right.
Yeah.
I never knew that Rick's downfall would be the grip shoes on the no grip board.
Alright, I got a real
Doozy.
doozy here.
Oh. Oh my gosh, Dan is playing dirty.
Oh, right.
I don't get why you look so out of control, dude. What is wrong with you?
I don't know.
Like Uzi's looks like almost like he's skating normal.
Big one right here.
You absolute dog. Wow. Holding on for his life.
Good deal, life.
Oh!
That one's a little
Gosh!
That was a slick one.
Oh!
What? How do I just slip off?
He's got you on the ropes, man.
I was thinking I didn't want to read it too much.
Is that SKA?
Yeah.
Look, Rick, here's the thing, man. A game like this, you gotta have grit.
I know. I got no grit.
Dan, go for the skunk. If you go for the skunk, he has to do
I
it.
already got F's.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, dog incoming.
If the dog is having an existential crisis, what does that say about me?
It's like, why am I dog?
Oh,
like-
no way.
Yeah.
Holy
That's so good. Ollie?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Rick! You're shedding grip here, bro.
He's
Cheating. It's coming apart.
At this point, if you land it, Uzi should theoretically land it easily. Like, that's what I'm thinking here. Oh! That board almost broke.
I know. Why?
Oh, K to A. He's coming back. The comeback of a century.
I gotta think wisely.
What?
Oh, rebate.
I'm happy with that. What? How are you staying on there?
One more. Final redo.
Here we go.
That was better.
That was
No
alright.
touch, you
Yeah,
just
that
tipped that.
I'd say that was good.
He's losing pieces of his grip.
You guys almost
slid
did the
off.
exact same thing.
Slid.
A to A, the comeback of the year.
Should we try Trey?
Reflip. Oh, I was just gonna say.
And then I slid off. What was I doing? I was gonna do something. I'm gonna go back to what got me here. What?
You
What'd I
barely
do?
landed completely.
That was fire. Oh,
Wow.
Rick is beginning to
Hang it
believe.
in there.
Oh!
Why was that so good?
Oh!
Hanging in there.
Barely, Rick.
Barely.
Barely. Have we ever done beach sand grip tape?
How did you do this, Amy?
That's how you do it, Rick.
That's so impossible.
Not a chance. Let's see if we have the same idea.
Nope. You're not gonna be thinking of what I'm thinking of.
Oh! I wanted you to get a letter on that so bad.
Yeah.
It would've been
Do the other way.
hilarious.
Do cab.
Happy, happy, happy. All right, ready? Testing out the grip.
Holy, that's an end.
I don't know.
Finisher.
Looks pretty sick.
Yeah. Do Burial.
Like, how
give
is
up.
that so impossible?
Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
Yeah.
That was
That
wild.
was good. No toe touch, no nothing. But
Yeah.
Oh, T.
Nollie tray.
You're saying there's a chance. That is ridiculous.
I had it. I just had to jump. I didn't jump right.
Alright, you tried to set this
Oh
up.
wow, the board really is getting sanded down a lot.
Yeah, it's getting better.
Oh man.
I feel like I keep going over a weird bump over here. Hey!
Oh my god. Don't get your hopes up, Rick.
The session has not given you confidence.
Oh!
Why does that work but back when
There is a chance. Come on, Rick. Give him 20. Drop down and give me 20. Oh shoot. I guess that means I have to do it too. Hold up.
Can I do it like this?
You want to be a good sport and do it too?
Can we do it with knees down?
No.
3 hours later.
you're about to die.
That used to be easier.
Good work, brother. Good work.
Ah.
Looking at the board, it actually did get sanded quite a lot. Like, look at that.
Yeah, this.
It doesn't feel more grippy though. It just looks
And
more.
look, when we landed on the bottom.
Oh yeah, wow.
But I don't know, that was kind of frustrating, I gotta say. When you like slipping off, it's like kind of annoying.
Can you see this?
Got a seat or something.
What the?
Dude, that's really good, man.
Well, that's the end of this amazing game of skate. Let us know in the comments if we should make some crazy grip out of sand, grip out of glass. That sounds like a cool idea. There are some videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave in the comments below. Want you to learn how to skateboard. Everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.